हाँ दाঁড়াও। हाँ। Hello and good morning. Namaskar. This is your favorite presenter Sujoy Sarkar of the channel Ekal Yatri has Sujoy. And at the day 2 of my Bhubaneswar safari is at Madhusudan Park at Madhusudan Nagar, Bhubaneswar. In fact, there was a plan to visit the Udayagiri Khandagiri yesterday, but due to unavoidable situation, we couldn't do so, and we have rescheduled it for Tuesday. And tomorrow we'll be visiting the Nandan Kanan Zoological Garden, and on Monday we'll be visiting the famous iconic Dhauli, the Shanti Stupa. We are a bit late. The entry gate is closed right now, so we are not able to get inside the park. It's a beautiful park with awesome facilities. হ্যাঁ, কি বলছো? কি কোথায়? ও হো 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 হো। In the evening hours, at the day 2 of the Bhubaneswar Safari with Baba, we'll be visiting the Indira Gandhi Park. The Madhusudan Park is near to Madhusudan Nagar and AG Colony. It is in Unit 4, area of Bhubaneswar. Baba is very happy traveling with me. In fact, he is insisting me that I should take him in my Hercules Street Rider. ভালো লাগছে? ও এইগুলো হচ্ছে ইয়ে ব্যানার্সগুলো। আসো। A beautiful temple is nearby. বাবা এদিকে আসো, ডান দিকে আসো। This is a temple near to Madhusudan Park. Most of the devotees or the residents of Madhusudan Nagar and AG Colony Unit 4, they come and offer puja and prayer at this temple. Yeah, no mask, no entry. COVID-19 situation is there. So in order to take preventive and precautionary measure for that only. It is good. चलो So now we are moving towards the residence after a pleasant morning stroll with Baba. In fact, we are a bit late, so the entrance gate is closed. In fact, it is closed before 8:30. Tomorrow, maybe the day after, we will again visit here. A beautiful park is there. চলো তাড়াতাড়ি ব্রেকফাস্ট করব। This is Rajdhani Pathaghar School. The beautiful Unit 4 area. I'm enjoying the music. अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है, चाहे तो हमारे बस में क्या नहीं, बस एक ज़रा साथ हो तेरा। The tiffin center is very nearby. भाई कौन कौन अच्छी खाया पाई? ओ सब किछि अछि। बहुत मजा लागुछि। औ बढ़िया लागुछि। भलो। तर मिनिमम चार्जेस केते? 20 टंका। One can have breakfast easily after visiting the park here. We are walking on the road. In fact, we are having the stroll in between AG Colony and Madhusudan Nagar. And this is the Unit 4 area, the famous area. भाई मु आसबी बाबा को छाड़ी आसबी। हाँ तांको टिफिन देके आसबी। আমার ভালো লাগছে শরীরটা। হুম, ଗୁଡ୍ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ। ମୁଁ ଆସିବି ସର୍ଟସ୍ ନେବା ପାଇଁ। ଓକେ, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ। আসো 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 বাবা। The vehicles are plying on the road. I'm just waiting eagerly for the trip with my Hercules Street Rider that will start. In fact, that will resume from 20th of this month, and I'll be starting from Bhubaneswar and will be reaching at Sri Sri Ma Tarini Temple, Ghatagaon of Keonjhar district via Pani Koili in Jajpur district. In that trip, I shall be covering the famous districts of Odisha such as Khordha, Cuttack, Jajpur and Keonjhar. The trip that I have planned is for 7 days, 3 days towards Ghatagaon, 1 day at Ghatagaon, and the rest 3 days the return trip. These are the vending zones of Unit 4 area. The residents here, they can purchase the vegetables or the stationeries, excluding the groceries that can be purchased in the market area. They are very near to the residents of Bhubaneswar. ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମଉସା? There is a tiffin and sweet center. ଆଜି ବାଇଗଣୀ ହେଇନି? ବାଇଗଣୀ ହେଇନି? Oh. He is not interested to listen, I think so. Actually, he is very busy in selling the pakoda, a refreshing snack. This is a junction. On the right, the road goes to Shastri Nagar. Straight it goes to the Unit 4 market area, and to my left it is towards the Red Cross Bhavan, and we are now on the Patel Marg. Let us cross. কি হলো বাড়ি চলো উঠো ওকে ফাইন, তাকাও এদিকে। ভালো লাগছে? গুড। So my friends, till my next video in the evening hours that I'll be uploading, as we'll be visiting the famous Indira Gandhi Park, and tomorrow we'll be visiting the Nandankanan Zoological Garden. On Monday we shall be there at Dhauli, and the day after we will be at Udaigiri and Khandagiri. So this is the part 1 of the day 2 of Bhubaneswar Safari with Baba. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay healthy, enjoy your lovely Saturday. Bye. This is your presenter Sujoy Sarkar of Ekal Yatri has Sujoy. Take care.